OFM Sport.
Yeah, so we were sitting at Spur in Portsmouthburg, and my wife just mentioned to me, but what about the Cheetahs? And yeah, I was, right away just phoned France and asked if there's space, if he needs me or wants me. And yeah, we made the transition, and everything just fell into place. It's so convenient. My wife went to school here at Unisi, and both my daughters were born in Bloem. We've been in Bloem a lot in the last 6-7 years, so yeah, it's something that just felt right from the beginning. So yeah, it was just a smooth transition to be here and to work with guys that I've played with, now being coaches, and see what they can do and how we're trying to bring the club forward. Yeah, something really special and something I'm looking forward to.